Hello, everybody. Master Burlow is back, helping you with the goal of helping you develop the best possible sidekick that you possibly can. We've gone through 3 steps so far, right? First step is proper foot positioning. Toes up, almost like you're going to twist your ankle, weight on the back, and you extend down. Next step, pivoting your feet off in the opposite direction. Look over your shoulder, toes up, twisting your ankle, and just extend straight back a little bit. Third step was using something to grab and hold on to, right? Similar to step 2, but now you have a holding point, and you're going to kick a little bit higher. So now you're going to chamber your knee. You're going to shift so your leg is parallel to the floor, extend, and pull. All right? Step 3 is going to be the same technique that we did in step 2. However, you're going to extend a little bit further. Actually, this is step 4. My apologies. You're going to do it without the wall and just practice what we call a front leg side kick. It's a very powerful technique to stop an oncoming attacker right in front of you, okay? Using the whole part of your leg. So from here, hands are up, and maybe we can go fast now and extend. So you can imagine if an attacker came in and extend, I would have no problem knocking them back. It is a defensive technique. 1, and extend, okay? Now, that's like first part of step 4. The other part I want to talk about is what I call the flip, and is the flip that turns a front leg side kick into what we call a turning side kick or your regular side kick. The difference between front leg and turning side kick, front leg, there's my target. This is the leg closest, front leg to the target. I kick. Turning side kick, I start with my kicking leg in the back. So my back leg comes across, and then I do my kick, right? So now you see the difference. Now, to do a turning side kick, we actually have to become what we call weightless, right? We have to shift and pivot naturally where there's no resistance with your foot to the floor. I'm sure some of you out there have played basketball. And I'm sure some of you have learned how to do a layup in basketball. I personally cannot show you how to do a layup, but I could show you how to do a side kick. I watched it, and I said, wow, that's like setting up for a side kick. So all you have to do is you're going to bring your knee up as high as you can, as if you were doing that layup, and then that causes you to pivot. So watch again. I bring my knee up as high as I can, causing my bottom foot to be weightless, and that causes me to do a full 180-degree pivot. So now I'm at the tail end of that side kick process. One more time. We call this the flip. My knee comes up, causing my body to become weightless, and I shift and I pivot. So first part of this training is just regular front leg side kick, fast and strong. Second part is the flip. Up and down. If you are not extending on that front leg side kick, your leg's not tight, your foot's not in proper position, you need to go back to step 3. We can't take you any further till you really get what we're working on, okay? So enjoy, practice, practice, practice. After we go through this, we're going to turn that flip into a great side kick. Thank you very much.